Are you tired of breakfast battles? Then you have to try these 4 plant-based breakfasts that I promise your kids will actually ask for. Hi everyone, I'm Anelie. I'm a board-certified health coach and I'm a mom of 2. And I know that the morning struggle is real. Breakfast is key to a good day, but it can be hard to get kids excited about healthier options while still making it out the door on time. But today I'm going to share 4 breakfasts that are quick, easy to make, totally nutritious, and actually kid approved. Breakfast number 1, overnight oats. Yes, you've probably heard of overnight oats, but here are some secrets I have that will make your kids actually want to eat it. First, I mix the oats with either regular milk or plant-based milk, ground flax seeds or ground chia seeds, and a little bit of maple syrup for sweetness. I prep these in individual containers the night before, but I don't actually add any other ingredients in them until the morning. Then in the morning, I heat up the containers actually, and I add a little bit more milk so that the oatmeal gets creamy and thick. And then I'll add in other ingredients like walnuts for crunch or my kid's favorite fruit that day. Usually it's berries, but sometimes it's diced apples or diced pears. A lot of overnight oat recipes will have you add all the ingredients in overnight, but that makes everything kind of mushy and my kids just don't like that. So I just prep it all and keep it separate and I assemble in the morning. And now if your kids like their oats cold, that's totally fine too. You can do all of this, just skip the heating part and add in those other ingredients in the morning and then serve it to your kids. Breakfast number 2, smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are great because you can add anything to them. My kids love this strawberry smoothie bowl. I just blend bananas, strawberries, ground chia seeds, almond milk, and if I want to add in some extra greens, some baby spinach. I pour it into a bowl and I top it with granola, nut butter, and banana slices. My kids love this and it's packed with nutrition. And if I want to add in more protein, I'll just add a scoop of vanilla protein powder into the blender with the other ingredients before I blend the smoothie, and that just gives 20 grams of extra protein all at once. Breakfast number 3, veggie muffins. The secret here is to take a standard muffin recipe and then add in some really finely shredded veggies. I like adding in shredded zucchini, carrots, baby spinach, or even sweeter veggies like corn or sweet bell peppers into the batter. I bake it as usual and serve it with a little bit of butter in the morning. It's sneaky nutrition, but it tastes amazing. And it's great for meal prep. I can make a huge batch of these muffins and my kids will eat it for breakfast all week long. For the full recipe for these muffins, check out the link in the description below. Breakfast number 4, my twist on avocado toast. Now we all know avocado toast is great for breakfast, but here's how I like to upgrade it and make it more kid-friendly. First, I use whole wheat bread. That's just for extra fiber and nutrition. Then I mash avocado with salt and some hemp seeds for extra protein. I'll also add in a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice just so the avocado doesn't brown. Then I spread it on toast and I serve some scrambled eggs on the side. And then the final step is I'll use a cookie cutter to cut the toast into fun shapes. My kids love eating it like that. And sometimes, for just a little bit of extra sweetness, I'll add a tiny drizzle of honey over the avocado, just on the toast part, not the scrambled eggs part. For my avocado honey toast combination, check out the link in the description below. If you try one of these breakfasts with your kids, please leave me a comment below and let me know how it went. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because I post simple, healthy recipes that your kids will love every single week.